Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Learn. And for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix the Instagram collaboration glitch, which doesn't allow you to accept or receive collab notifications. This video will be very easy, so make sure to watch until the end. Also, make sure you like this video for more helpful tech content. So, you're facing the collaboration glitch on Instagram. And now, I'm gonna help you fix it. Go to Instagram but don't open the app. Make sure it doesn't have the download logo, the download icon, right next to Instagram. Because if it does, then that means it's probably outdated. And a simple fix to that is just by tapping Instagram. That's pretty much it. It's gonna start downloading. And once you do that, check on Instagram if it works now. If it doesn't work, try holding Instagram and then tapping on Remove App. Now, tap on Delete App. So, once you delete the app, you're gonna want to go to the App Store and then searching for Instagram. Once you're there, download it again, and once you download it, try logging in. I'm sure it'll fix your problem. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.